Hi students, in this video you are going to know about the solutions of exercise 7.1 of integrals chapter class 12th mathematics. So get ready with your textbooks, take your textbooks and open that exercise 7.1. Then one by one question I will try to explain. Then you will have to listen and otherwise you have to work parallelly, right? And the first question of that, by method of inspection find the antiderivative of the following questions. Find the antiderivative of the following questions. What is the first question? It is given sin 2x. How to find out the antiderivative of sin 2x using method of inspection? We know very well that sin will be the derivative of cos. So just take cos 2x by 2 or cos 2x you take, no problem. Then cos 2x by 2 derivative is minus sin 2x into 2 divided by 2. The 2 and 2 gets cancelled, minus sin 2x. But we need sin 2x ka integration. That means antiderivative. That means integration of sin 2x into dx is equal to minus cos 2x by 2 plus c. That is method of inspection. Method of inspection means we use here derivatives concept, right? So then similar way the other questions which are given, the second question which is given, they are asking us to find the antiderivative of cos 3x. What is that antiderivative of cos 3x? What is antiderivative of cos 3x? So to do that, first I have taken a function, assumed a function which is sin 3x by 3. Its derivative is cos 3x into 3 divided by 3, which is cos 3x. So integration of cos 3x into dx is equal to sin 3x by 3 plus c. So there is another method to do it. What is that method? Means is method of inspection. The second question or first question, whatever it is, the second question is cos 3x. We need cos 3x antiderivative. To do that cos 3x antiderivative, we know very well cos is the derivative of sine. So take sin 3x first, because there it is written 3x. Na? Here it is 3x. Here it is 3x. That is the reason I have taken. So sin 3x ka derivative, d by dx of sin 3x is equal to, you can write it as cos 3x into 3. But we need only cos 3x. So this 3 you can get this side. So sin 3x by 3 derivative is cos 3x. So in this inspection method you can say integration of cos 3x into dx as sin 3x by 3 plus c. This is inspection method. So we will use derivatives to find out the integral of the given function. Similar way, integration of, they are asking c power 2x derivative in antiderivative. So derivative of e power 2x is e power 2x into 2. But we need e power 2x integration. This 2 you get this side as divided by 2. So integration of e power 2x by 2 is the antiderivative of e power 2x plus c. So from here onwards we apply the integrals concept what we have watched in the previous video. All the formulas I am going to use it. So better you be thorough with all the formulas before you learn this one. Okay. So the fourth question, ax plus b whole to the power of, fourth question is ax plus b whole to the power of 2 into dx, which is ax plus b whole cube by 3 into a because of x coefficient plus c. Sin 2x minus 4 e power 3x is minus cos 2x by 2 minus 4 e power 3x by 3 plus c. Because x coefficient is 2, that's why it was divided. I told you a formula which is f of ax plus b into dx ka antiderivative means integral will be capital F of, what is that? Capital F of ax plus b by a, because x coefficient should be divided, right? Next question, sixth question. This is also a nice question. 4 e power 3x plus 1. 4 can be pulled out into, right? This is e power 3x integration is e power 3x by 3 and plus 1 ka integration is x plus c. So you must be very thorough with all the formulas before you learn this one, right? Instantly I am using the formulas, I am applying the formulas. So in the earlier video I told you what is the important of all the formulas. So you must learn all the formulas. So integration of x square minus x square into 1 minus 1 by x square. This one I say you cannot derivate it. As it is you cannot derivate it. You should multiply first. Then only you can derivate. So multiply that, open the bracket and multiply. It is x square into 1 x square minus x square into 1 by x square is 1. So now integrate it because it is individuals now. X cube by 3 minus x plus c, because x square integration is x cube by 3 minus 1 integration is minus x. Done. Okay. 8th to 11th question you can try yourself, they are very easy. 12th question, which is integrate x cube plus 3x plus 4 by root x. Like these questions, when you are finding, just split the fractions. It is x cube by root x, 3x by root x plus 4 by root x. Then simplify to single x exponent. Single x exponent means writing as like this: x power 3 by 2 minus 1 plus 3x power 1 by 1 power 1, 1 minus 1 by 2. This is 1, that's why 4 into x power minus 1 by 2. So this one written in the single exponent, so that you get, after writing into the single exponent method, then you have to write like this. So x power 5 by 2, 3x power 1 by 2, 4x power minus 1 by 2. Then apply the formula, which is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So then applied the formula, then gone the simplification. We have done the simplification, so that we got the answer like this. Try to understand the simplifications. Okay, next question, 13th question. Look at the 13th question. What is the 13th question? They are telling that integrate x cube minus x square minus plus x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Take x square common into x minus 1. In this, take 1 common into x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. By splitting the fraction, x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 1, x minus 1 will get cancelled. Otherwise, taking common like this you can do. Otherwise, you can do like this. See, in this x minus 1 you take common. X minus 1 into inside x square plus 1. Factorization has been done. X minus 1. Cancel x minus 1, so that you get x square plus 1. So integration of x square plus 1 is x cube by 3 plus x plus c. Done. Because power n plus 1 by n plus 1 formula applied. Similarly, 14th to 17th questions you have to try yourself. Then 18th question is secant x into secant x plus tan x into dx. I say we cannot integrate it. First we multiply. Secant x into secant x is secant square x plus secant x into tan x is secant x tan x. Secant square x integration is tan x. Secant x tan x integration is secant x plus c. So formulas were applied. Next, see this question. Integration of secant square x by cosecant square x into dx. Secant square is the reciprocal of cos square, that's why it went to the denominator. Cosecant square is the reciprocal of sin square, that's why denominator becomes numerator. Sin square x by cos square x, which is nothing but tan square x. Tan square x can be written as secant square x minus 1, because tan square x directly we cannot integrate. So first convert into secant square x minus 1. Then you can integrate secant square x as tan x. One integration is x. That's all done. 19th question. Next, 20th question, which is integration of 2 minus 3 sin x by cos square x. For this also same way you have to split the fraction first. 2 by cos square x minus 3 sin x by cos square x. 2 by cos square x is 2 secant square x. 3 sin x by cos square x is 3 secant x tan x. Remember, sin x by cos square x can be written as, very important it is, secant x into tan x. Similar way, cos x by sin square x can be written as cosecant x into cot x. Cosecant x into cot x. So we have to remember this, because sin x by cos square x, because sin x by cos x is tan, and one more cos extra is there in the denominator, this will be secant x, like that. So now you can integrate. See, 2 secant square x integration is 2 tan x, 3 secant x tan x integration is 3 secant x plus c. Done. Next, look at this now. Integration of root x plus 1 by root x, write as single exponent, x power 1 by 2 plus x power minus 1 by 2 into dx. Then apply the formula as it is, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 formula you have to apply. Then you get the required answer. Right, next question. 22nd question is a multiple choice type question. D by dx of f of x is given, and also which is given f of 2 is equal to 0, and what will be the f of x. First integrate this one on both sides. Integration of d by dx of f of x into dx is equal to integration of 4x cube minus 3 by x power 4 into dx. That means integrating on both sides. Integrating on both sides, so that derivative and integration process will get cancelled. Then f of x will come on the left side. Right side, 4x cube integration is 4x power 4 by 4, and 3 by x power 4 is nothing but, which is 3 into x power minus 4. So it is, integration will be x power minus 4 plus 1 by minus 4 plus 1 plus c. Do the calculation, so that you get f of x is equal to 4 gets cancelled, x power 4 minus 3 gets cancelled, plus will become, it will be x power minus 3 plus c. But what is given f of 2 value? 0. F of 2 value which is given as 0. So then what I can do now, see, f of 2 is equal to 2 power 4 plus 2 power minus 3 plus c is equal to 0, because this is f of x, no? That's why. Then it is 16 plus 1 by 8 plus c is equal to 0. 2 power minus 3 is nothing but 1 by 8. 2 power 4 is 16. So calculation 128 plus 1 by 8, because LCM was taken, plus c is equal to 0. C is equal to minus 129 by 8. Look at this particular, the calculation is very important. So after that, after getting the c value, substitute this c value in this f of x, so that you get f of x is equal to x power 4 plus x power minus 3 minus 129 by 8. Compare your answers with the options, your answer with the options, then you get the required answer. Okay, some more extra questions to be discussed. Not only this, for your practice boosting we need extra questions to be done. So for that you can use reference books, or else you can use some other materials to do practice. So for integration chapter, practice is very important. Not only the textbook questions, but also you have to do extra questions which are available in the reference books. Take so many reference books are available in the market, you know very well. So otherwise you will have the materials with you. Otherwise you can browse and you can take the worksheets related to integration basic questions. Okay, these all will be either R.S. Agarwal or else Rachna Sagar publications, or else Arihant, or else many together with many publications books are there. Any one of the book if you have, then try to do practice boosting. Practice boosting means, so you have to enrich your knowledge, you have to boost your knowledge, not only by doing only NCERT questions. For the integration it is very much required. That's why I just discussed some extra questions here. Please try to understand how to integrate tan x plus cot x, tan x plus cot x whole square, tan x plus cot x whole square. This time first square it, tan square x plus cot square x plus 2 tan x cot x. As tan x and cot x are reciprocals to each other, then here 2 will come. Write tan square x as secant square x minus 1, cot square x as cosecant square minus 7, because tan square and cot square has no directly integration answers. So that's why we wrote like this. Then minus 1 is minus 2, plus 2 cancel. Then you get secant square x plus cosecant square x. What is secant square x integration? Tan x. What is cosecant square x integration? Minus cot x plus c. Like that we can do it. Next, one more question. What is integration of root over 1 plus cos x into dx? Root over 1 plus cos x into dx, which is root over 2 cos square x by 2 into dx. Root over 2 cos square x by 2 into dx. So because 1 plus cos theta formula is 2 cos square theta by 2. Remember, this is a lifesaver. For simplification purpose, many times we use 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2, which is 11th standard formula. So very important, that formula. That's why I just did as root 1 plus cos x. Root 1 plus cos x, I wrote it as what I wrote, root 1 plus cos x. Have a minute, please have a minute. Root 1 plus cos x can be written as root cos 2 cos square x by 2. So root 2 has been taken common. Cos square x by 2 square root is cos x by 2, and the cos x by 2 integration is sin x by 2 divided by 1 by 2, and the root will be here only, which is 2 root sin x by 2 plus c, because here the important thing is the formula. 1 plus cos x ka formula is important, right? Next, third question. Integration of e power 3x minus e power 2x plus e power x minus 1 by e power x minus 1. It is like the question which is there in the exercise, x cube minus x square plus x minus 1 by x minus 1. So there I did factorization. Here also we do factorization by taking, see, by taking e power 2x common from this 2. So e power 2x, if I take common from this 2, e power x minus 1, then 1 is common from this 2, e power x minus 1, then denominator e power x minus 1. So then take common e power x minus 1, so that e power 2x plus 1 by e power x minus 1 divided by e power x minus 1 will come. So these two gets cancelled. Then you get, after cancellation you get e power 2x plus 1 into dx, which is nothing but e power 2x by 2 plus x plus c. Similar. Next question, fourth question. Integration of tan x into tan x plus secant x into dx. Evaluate it. First multiply tan x into tan x, tan square x. Tan x into secant x, tan x secant x. This integration we know as secant x. But tan square x direct integration we do not know. Write it as secant square x minus 1, because secant square x integration we know, 1 integration we know. So we wrote it. So secant square x integration is tan x, minus 1 integration is minus x plus secant x plus c. Right? So similar way you can try integration of 1 minus cos 2x by cos square x into dx. Again 1 minus cos 2x as a formula, and 11th standard, which is 2 sin square x If it is 1 minus cos x, 2 sin square x by 2 will write. If it is 1 minus cos x, na, we write 2 sin square x by 2. But here it is 1 minus cos 2x, now 2x by 2 becomes x. That's why 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x is the formula. So 2 sin square x by cos square x, 2 take out, sin square x by cos square x is tan square x is secant square x minus 1. So secant square x is tan x minus 1 integration is minus x. This kind of practice is needed, very much needed, right? So then after that, do one thing otherwise. After listening to all the questions, write all the questions in one paper and try to do all the problems yourself. Then you can check yourself how much good you are at the formulas and you are at the simplifications. Sixth question. Integration of 2x minus 1 whole power 7 into dx can be written as 2x minus 1 whole power 7 plus 1 by 7 plus 1 into 2. Because n plus 1 by n plus 1 into 2, from where it is x coefficient is divided, right? Plus c. So 2x minus 1 whole power 8 by 16 plus c. But it is there like this. See, if it is linear, no problem, you can do. But if it is quadratic inside, you cannot. If it is quadratic inside, you cannot do like this. So first you have to open it. 3x square a plus b a minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab. If you apply a square plus b square minus 2ab formula, you get 9x power 4 plus 16 minus 24x square into dx. So then after that you can individually integrate 9x power 5 by 5. Constant integration is constant into x minus 24x cube by 3. Then after simplification we get this answer. After simplification we get that answer. Okay, next. Integration of 1 by 1 plus x square into dx. It is tan inverse x formula directly. But if the question is given like this, integration of 1 by 1 plus 4x square into dx, it can be written as 1 by 1 plus 2x whole square into dx. So then it is tan inverse 2x by 2 because x coefficient was divided. Plus c. Similar way, integration of 1 by root over 1 minus 16x square into dx. So it is integration of 1 by root over 1 minus 4x whole square into dx, which is sin inverse x, because we know very well integration of 1 by root 1 minus x square into dx is sin inverse x ka formula. So 4x square is there, so it is sin inverse 4x, x coefficient is 4 divided by 4 plus c. Right, next. So if it is integration of 4x plus 1 by 2 power x into dx, first split the fraction, 4x by x, 1 by 2 power x. So 4x by 4 power x by 2 power x is 2 power x, 1 by 2 power x is 2 power minus x. 2 power x integration is 2 power x by log 2. Similarly, 2 power minus x integration is 2 power minus x by minus log 2, since because of x coefficient is minus 1, that's why this minus has come. Okay. Next, y square plus 2y. Till now I have given with dx questions only. Now it is going to change as dy, dt, something else other than x, some other variable is there. See. So integration of y square plus 2y into dy is y cube by 3 plus 2y square by 2 plus c. Say y is the variable of integration here. Y is the variable of integration. Okay. So 2 gets cancelled. The answer is like this. Okay. Next you see that 3 plus 2t into dt. It is 3t plus 2t square by 2 plus c. 3t plus t square plus c. Here you see 14th question, particularly if you see 14th question is a different method. See, it is not dx, it is not dt, it is not dy. That means we are integrating with respect to root x. So 3 plus 2 root x is 3 root x, because here the variable is root x. So 3 root x plus 2 into root x can be written as root x whole square by 2. So it is 3 plus 2t dt. It is 3 plus 2 root x d root x. So variable of integration is root x here. Whole root x can be taken as variable of integration here. Okay. So try to understand. So here also, what is integration of 1 by x? It is log mod x. So what is integration of 3x minus 1 by x into dx? Because it is a formula. 15th one is a formula. But if it is there like this, split the fraction first. This splitting the fraction will come many times in the integration chapter. So 3x by x is 3 minus 1 by x. So 3 integration is x. 1 by x integration is log mod x plus c. Now in this way, we know very well 1 by x dx is log mod x. So if it is 1 by sin x, d sin x means derivative of sin x. That time you can write log mod sin x. Log mod sin x, because integrating with respect to sin x only. So no problem, sin x is the variable of integration here. Here the variable of integration is sin x, so it is log mod sin x. So same way, integration of x square plus 3 whole power 7 into dx square. Now what is the variable of integration? X square. Here x square. So treat x square as something else, so that you get integration of t plus 7 whole power 7, t plus 3 whole power 7 into dt. So no problem, you can do t plus 3 whole power 8 by 8 plus c. What is t means? X square. We can substitute it back, right? Instead of instead of doing variable of integration, it is changing, that's all. So we'll have to, particularly we have to see and we have to answer. But these kind of questions will not come for the exam, but the thing is, we will, these kind of questions will lead to one kind of method which is called substitution method in integration. Substitution method in integration. So after this slide, after this video, we are going to know what is substitution method. So that means some methods of integration I'm going to explain. So for that it will be very useful. That's the reason I discussed by changing the variable of integration. I have changed here for 3 questions. If you look at this space, for 3 questions exactly, this question and this one, 14th, 17th, 18th, I have changed the variable of integration with something else, not single variable. It is a root x, sin x, x square. So these questions are leading to a method which is called substitution method. So next part will be depending on methods of integration, and the first method is substitution method, which I am going to explain in the next video, which is very important for the integration chapter. So entire integration chapter will be depending on the method, substitution method. So it is very useful and very tricky also. So get ready for that video, and thank you for watching. So please comment after watching it whether you understood or not. Any improvements are needed, please comment, not a problem. I will try to present my best. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much.